Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we would like to do Lab 1 Introduction to Matlab for subject Continuous Signal and System. So this is our member. I am Siti Hajar binti Arba'in. My number matric is B0819108284. We from 2 BET section 1/2. I will be doing the task 1, the basic Matlab. So here we have 5 tasks in task 1. So first, let's open your Matlab. So to view the Matlab introduction by typing intro into the Matlab Pro. So this short introduction we demonstrate some basic Matlab command. Next, we proceed with help. If you want to explore Matlab help capability by trying this form. First, if you want to see resources for getting started, or we want to view the documentation, just open the help browser. Next, we proceed with help plot. Okay, this command we use for introduction to the plot of the graph, such as plot linear plot. Yes, have some example here. As you can see, example. Next, we proceed with help ops is the operator and special character, such as arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, special character, and so on. Lastly, help array, which is array are not found. We can use the help browser search field to search the documentation. Next, we proceed with demo. Type demo and explore some of demos. We are able to explore some of the demos of Matlab Common. Basic Matlab, we have Matlab Simulink statistic of machine and learning toolbox Simulink. So we can go to Simulink. Next, we proceed with this. We want to evaluate this operation into this command. Okay, A equal to 1.2 semicolon, B equal to 2.3 semicolon. Don't forget to put your semicolon after each variable assignment. If you omit the Matlab, it goes back on the screen. Okay, then we need to put the mathematical equation into the command like this, and then enter. So here is the answer that we get from this mathematical expression. And lastly, after we finish with a particular task in Matlab, clean up the desktop before moving on to another task. So here, there are 3 useful commands here. So first, let me try clear. Okay. As you can see, at the workspace table, there have clear all the memory or input output that we already have it. Next, CLC. Okay, it is for clear the command window. So as you can see, it clean everything. Lastly, close. Close is to close the current figure. So that's all from me. Let's proceed with the next task.
My name is Aina Kalson and I will continue with task 2, which is plotting graph. First of all, we need to type the coding as shown in editor window. After that, we save the file as lab1 and try to run the coding. Next, we save the data in workspace window as lab data1. After that, we close the editor window and clear the data in workspace window using clear all function. After we use this clear all function, we can see the data in workspace window are all removed. Next, I will show the type of plot graph using function bar, stand, save, and area by using the coding we used before. We type the coding in editor window and we using subplot coding, which is the function is can be used to display more than one graph at the same time. And lastly, we can see the result of each graph in figure 1.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nadira binti Mazanat. I will do task 3, generate sinusoidal signal. Okay, let's do this coding. First, we need to use new script. Here, two graph. We can see first continuous sinusoidal signal and discrete sinusoidal signal. For discrete, the graph will look like this, and sinusoidal will look like waveform. Okay, next for the question 2, using the same coding and plot the cosine graph. Now I will plot the cosine graph with the same coding. This is graph for cosine, for continuous and discrete signal. Thank you.